This is an ordinary water closet, or was until we cut it down the middle with a diamond saw. The exposed side has been covered with clear plastic to contain the water. As an added visual aid, we're going to tint the water, tank red, bowl blue. So don't adjust your set and don't call a plumber. When the handle is pressed, a lever inside lifts. It pulls a rubber stopper called a flapper valve from the bottom of the tank. Instantly, tank water is released to gravitational forces, which draw it down the water closet's main channel toward the base. As water circles the bowl's upper rim, some is forced through holes called rim slots. They flush tiny jets along the sides to clean the bowl. Most of the water, however, rushes down and through a narrow opening near the base. There, in a carefully formed mix of air and water, an eductor, or pulling action, is generated. At the same time, the release of tank water pushes bowl water up the siphon channel and over the lip. Its spill pattern creates a siphon along the underside. Together, eduction and siphonic action draw water and waste from the bowl. It has nowhere else to go but out the sewer line. The double action process continues until water levels are too low to run over the lip. When the flow ends, so does siphonic action. Water trickling down from the tank now rises in the bowl and siphon channel. Its presence seals noxious sewer fumes below the gas trap. Meanwhile, back at the tank, two things happen. As water drained from the tank, the flapper valve dropped, resealing the main channel. The ball float, having reached the bottom of its swing down the tank, fully opened the inlet valve attached to the other end. Water begins to flood the tank again. As the tank refills, the ball float rises until somewhere near the top, it closes the inlet valve, cycle complete.
Cut off, ready.
In the great tradition of Army training films, let's look at this whole process one more time.
Flush, start. Flush, start. Flush, start. Rim flush, rim flush. Siphon jet, 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 siphon jet. Vacuum, 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 vacuum. Siphon, 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 siphon. Evacuate, 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 evacuate. Reseal, 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 reseal.